Hello and welcome to this demo of the MathLabs Intelligence Platform. The platform is built around a powerful language AI engine which extracts insights from a vast array of non-traditional data sources and follows a glass box approach, providing complete visibility from the insights to the raw data. There are 5 helpful sections on the platform. Explore helps iteratively explore and map subsectors. Compare and benchmark take a group of companies and compares them across advanced features. Deep Dive generates a rich understanding of a single target company, and Leadership assesses the competency of key individuals. We begin with Explore, where we start by inputting a long list name and then providing a list of companies of interest. This can be done straight from a CSV file by clicking here, selecting the file and clicking Open, with the platform auto-completing further validation information such as their website and LinkedIn. Alternatively, we can also manually type in company names and add these to the list by pressing Enter. From this list, we are then able to select a subset of these companies about which we want to find further information. We can create a new list from this subset by clicking on Create New List, or to begin a discovery run, we click on Discover. We are then presented with a page of possible filters to apply to the Explore process based on company size, funding round, and headquarter location. To start the search, we then click on Extend List, with the process taking a few minutes to complete. Once this is finished, we'll be presented with a table containing some basic information about the companies discovered, for example, their size and stage, region, industries they work in, and tags related to their core proposition. We can use different filters to identify a subset of the companies from this list which we would like to explore more around. Once again, we can create a new list with just this subset of companies in by clicking on Create New List. We can also iteratively extend this list to find more companies similar to our selected sublist by once again clicking on Discover and then Extend List. As before, this will take a few minutes to complete, but it will then add these new companies to our original list. Alternatively, to compare these companies that we've selected, we can simply click on Compare. Again, we need to give a name to this comparison run, and then click on Create New Report. From this point, as with Explore, we can also add in other companies, either manually or using a spreadsheet. Clicking on Next, we're presented with a wide range of different variables that can be chosen from to compare the companies. The categories of these features are Team Composition, Tech Assets, Growth Signals, Community Perception, and Risk and Health. Some features are pre-selected, but it's very easy to add new ones by clicking on them here, or to remove them from the selected list by clicking on them again, or by clicking on the cross next to them here. We then click on Create Report, and within a few minutes we will see a table of the results from the comparison. We can work with the data directly from here, or the table can be exported as a CSV. Benchmark works in a similar way to Compare, but gives a much more visual output. As with Compare, Benchmark can be run directly from an Explore run, or from the Benchmark tab by adding in the company names from a CSV. When happy with our list, we're asked to choose a target company for the benchmark. We do this by clicking on Select as Target next to the company. To then run benchmark, click on Submit Benchmark. If these companies have been run before, either within Benchmark or as a deep dive, this will take a few seconds. If they haven't been run before, or we want to rerun them to generate fresh results, done by clicking on Rerun All, the platform will take a few minutes to run. The output of Benchmark is a very visual comparison of the target company with its peers. Using the drop-down menu in the top right-hand corner, we can choose whether we want to see the target company benchmarked against the top peer for each dimension, or with one specific company for all dimensions. From here, we can also go directly to the deep dive of any of these companies by clicking on their logo. Alternatively, we can go to the Deep Dive tab here, click on New Research and type in the company name or website and click on Search. The platform will autocomplete the company information, but it is important to check that it is correct before triggering a search. If we have run the company recently, we'll have the option of looking at that run, but otherwise click on Run Research to begin the search. Within a few minutes, we'll be able to look at the run by clicking on it in the Deep Dive page. Here, we will see all the insights gathered about the target company. There are several sections in the report, providing rich insights on the team composition, tech assets, growth signals, community perception, risk and health signals, and the leadership team. To see more details about each insight, simply click on the insight itself and an insight card will pop up. Here we can see supporting analyses and extra information, along with the raw data where it came from. For example, looking at the team card allows us to explore the functions and sub-functions in the organization, and the commercial growth card classifies client and partnership events. At the bottom of each deep dive, there's the leadership section. Clicking on one of the leaders at the target company, we will see insights about this person. These give us information about their scaling experience, tech depth, commercial depth, and public visibility. Alternatively, we can search for a specific individual by going to the Leadership tab, clicking on New Person, entering their name, and clicking on Search. We are then presented with a list of potential correct people. Choose whom we want to search for and click on the Run Research button. Once this search is complete, we can click on their card on the Leadership page. Another thing to note here is that we can see information about how often a key individual is in the public eye, and even click through to the link where this data has come from. Thank you for watching this short introduction to the MathLabs Intelligence Platform, and if you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to contact us.